We are back in the building. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm out here in Malta. This was a very cheeky and very spontaneous holiday, so please bear with me, but let's get straight into the makeup. I finally got my hands on this Neutrogena Hydra Boost moisturizer. It's a water-based moisturizer. I got it from Boots. So many makeup artists on my page seem to just use it as a moisturizer. I think it is absolutely amazing, and this is going to be my routine for this summer. When I tell you that this makeup did not move, it did not move. A water-based moisturizer and the e.l.f. Hydra Grip primer, or even the milk primer, perfect combination. I think you guys already know I am now maturing. I have now learned that a little goes a long way, and I've actually tend to like the medium coverage now, so I'm literally using the Huda Beauty glowish BB cream. I think it's a BB cream or a tint, and I'm mixing it with the Lancome foundation, and all I need is 1 squirt from each. I do not use more than that. The Huda Beauty glowish actually gives the skin this nice glow. Like, it makes your skin seem a bit more radiant, and the Lancome, I don't know, the way it just mixes in with it, absolutely amazing, like beautiful. Like, I'm so obsessed with this combination. Like, I have not used any other combination since I've mixed the two. Going in with my Lancome concealer. When I tell you that this concealer just seems to just never finish, it just never finishes. Like, there seems to be so much concealer in here that it's lasting me such a long time. I ain't complaining. I love that. I love that. And the consistency from this product as well, amazing. Absolutely beautiful. I'll definitely say that it's a light to medium coverage. Again, it just depends on how much it is that you preferably use. You know, I just love to use it a lot. I really am trying to be quick in this video because my boyfriend feels like I take forever.
You said you're not doing makeup today. I do. You said you're not. I'm doing light makeup, but I'm not wearing lashes. No, this is the quickest I've ever done my makeup. I'm literally halfway through. This is the lightest I'm doing. I'm not doing heavy makeup. When I do heavy makeup, I have to wear lashes because it's not going to look good. But I'm wearing really light makeup. As you can see, even my foundation is quite light. And because I bought, instead of a proper foundation, I bought this tint. A tint.
No, but really, I was trying my hardest to actually get ready on time. And the bad thing about it, I was on time. And okay, I know that we all take long to do our makeups, but I promise you guys, I swear to God, I was probably like 10-15 minutes maximum into even doing this makeup, because I said I was going to be quick. When I tell you I was moving like Sonic in this video, I was moving like Sonic himself. Call me Amy. You know, I had to dive right into my beauty blender and use this beauty blender and blend for the gods. Like, I was blending, like I was trying to move fast. Again, I'm in a rush. I only have like 20-30 minutes maximum, and in fact I believe that I even done this look in 30 minutes, you know, because really it takes me an hour and a half. I have to do this whole look in 30 minutes. You see how unappreciative people are for my time. Anyways, I do feel a bit cheeky though for going back in with the repetitive steps, only because if you're going to rush me, my makeup still needs to look good. I am not leaving this house looking like a clown. Made by Mitchell. Every time I say this, every time this blush comes up on the screen, I'll be like, Mitchell, because that's his Instagram name. But now that it makes sense, Made by Mitchell's blush, absolutely amazing. You know, I have a little bit of time to do some under eye highlighting, make it slightly a bit extra bright with my NARS concealer. Again, that is the holy grail. Absolutely love that one too. But the only thing is, you get so little and it's so expensive. And you know me, I like to do things on a budget. Like, I love something that is amazing quality and is also amazing for the price. Do you know what I mean? I know when my man saw me pick up this makeup brush to go blend out my under eye, he must have thought that I was taking the piss. I did explain to him that it takes me longer to use brushes than it is for me to use a beauty blender, but it is what it is. I can't remember if I used this setting powder in the previous video or if I'm using it for the first time in this video, but I believe that I think I've used it for the first time in this video. When I tell you, I was shook. This powder is so fine, loose, and it's super lightweight. Like, I can't explain the feeling that this powder gave me, but when I tell you, it was just so, I'm just lost for words. That's what this powder made me feel. This powder is absolutely amazing that I'm lost for words. I'm going now in with my Julians Place Bronzing Duo palette, and I'm just going to use the lightest shade in that, and I'm just going to bronze up my face. Again, I'm trying to go for a nice subtle makeup, nothing too full. Again, outside is actually really nice here. It's warm, hot in the morning times. Sun goes down by I think like 4 or 5. Listen, I absolutely love it. Anyways, going in now with my, what is this called? The Doll Beauty blush. I forgot my finishing spray and setting spray at home. I wasn't even sure if I was allowed to bring them, but I was thinking, oh my god, I know Avian has some sort of spray. Today is the day to try it. Is this water? Did I just buy water?
I told you it was water to shine.
Guys, I don't know what nitrogen is, but I'm assuming that is a gas, and hence why it had to be in the bottle. The bottle was really tiny, and the bottle cost me £3.50. I paid £3.50 for a tiny bottle of water, a tiny bottle of facial water. This looks like skin. Oh my god, that was the best £3.50 I ever spent in my whole entire life. Look at my makeup page. Yes, I was 100% shook. Now it's time to set all of this back into place. It's not moving anywhere. Let me zoom in. When I've actually given you guys the chance to zoom right into my face to go and see all of the pores and all of the bullshit that's on my face, please look at this. Look at how the powder's set and that £3.50. Anyways, the makeup looks amazing, but I still look crazy. My hair is absolutely soaking wet. I just come back from scuba diving. It was the best experience ever. Oh my gosh. Might have to do that for another story time, but you know, we'll speak about that another day.
I must be in a very serious and healthy relationship because my face is glowing, my makeup is glowing, I'm gassed. How does my makeup look like this?
But you know, girl, in a rush. Look, I have to just keep my hair in a bun, yeah, until tomorrow. Anyways, guys, I'm just gonna do my usual hairstyle, and that is putting my hair up and putting it into a bun. I'm actually so happy with the way my makeup has come out. Like, it's come out so flawless. Like, I wish you could just understand and see what it is that I'm seeing.
You have to take a class in common sense.
Oh my god. I'm just happy that I got ready fast. As you can see by my reaction, my hair, my babe, just we were going out to eat. I got my brows done all the way in Essex. I got them fully mapped out. It took the woman around 30 to 35 minutes. I also got them tinted as well. She was absolutely amazing. I was watching her page for like a good 2 years before I booked with her. I will leave her page in the description box below. I decided to try the Louise brow lamination gel sort of thingy-majiggy, and it's supposed to make your eyebrows look laminated, and I feel like it did just that and made it seem shiny, assuming that's what it is. I'm not 100% sure. It does not make your eyebrows stay down for a long period of time. It literally just gives the effect of lamination. I'm just finishing up my makeup. I'm concealing just the bottom of my brows and just doing any finishing touches, adding my oods. Oh, just makes me feel a bit too special. I don't know why he's trying to gas it, but anyways, but adding mascara, and I'm adding my e.l.f. lip lacquer.
And just like that, Tashani is finished.
Just a thought, guys, I really enjoyed editing this video for you guys. I have another one of my makeup routines in Malta coming up next, so stay tuned.
This is the finished look. I'm completed. I'm ready to go to dinner. What do you guys think? Because I think it looks cute. I like to keep my makeup light now when I'm out with him. Isn't that right? Yeah. Light makeup. So we do light makeup around here when I'm with him. This is so light and so cute. Like, I'm so happy with how this look has come out. Like, I've been shook. We need to go. I'm gonna bring the camera with me and try and turn this into like a vlog. Get ready with me. Obviously it's gonna be a voiceover. Absolutely love my nails. You ready to go? We ready to go. I'm gonna go fill my stomach. Don't know what I'm gonna get or what I'm gonna eat just yet, but let's go. Okay guys, I'm gonna get some food now, so I'll see you in a bit.